All right. So, 13 days?
13 days.
Right at 13 days?
Yes.
How much income was generated through the system that was built?
About 32,000.
32,000.
Yeah.
Can you show proof that $32,000 has been earned in less than 13 days?
Yes, I'll show it tonight on the masterclass actually.
Show it tonight on the masterclass? What about show it right now?
Yeah,
You can show it on the computer.
I have to pull it up right here. It'll be faster right here. Just gotta give it a second to load.
So $32,000 in
$32,000 this month. Money in $32,709.
32,000. Refresh it because somebody might think it's a screenshot.
Refresh. Taking a second to refresh. Refreshed.
Boom.
$32,709.
32,000 just this month. That's around 13 days.
Yeah.
And that's one of the small months, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So a small month, $32,000 was made in around 13 days. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you think we have people that are struggling to earn $1,000 a day every damn day of their entire life? They should be earning a minimum of $1,000 if they know our last name, correct?
Correct.
I mean, you just showed it.
But what's easy to do is also easy not to do.
What's easy to do is also easy not to do. Savage. You're gonna show this now on the masterclass.
Yeah. Plus what? That's not count what.
That's not including the other payment processor that has a lot flowing through that as well.
Not
that,
as much, but still.
That was just QuickBooks. That's not including trading.
Not including trading at all. That's
So-
not including wire transfers that people do.
On average, what would you say? 50, 70, $100,000 every single month?
Between 50 and 70 on average, up to 100,000 times, yes.
100,000 a month. How crazy is that?
Nuts.
Nuts. What do you think holds people back?
Honestly, I think they just don't believe they can do it because what they don't understand.
Why would someone sit here, watch this video right now, and prioritize their broke ass boss over 100,000 plus a month, 70,000 plus a month? Why would someone prioritize their broke ass boss over what really works?
Because at the end of the day, when we're young and we're growing up, our moms, our dads, our teachers, everyone in our lives, they tell us that is the only way to earn money is through a job. We don't learn until our adulthood when people who are actually doing the thing, make it happen, shows them that it can be done. So it's these beliefs that are put on top of each other. In most people, it's hard to unlearn, right? Well, it's actually easy to unlearn, but it takes the willingness. The willingness to do is what's hard. But if people unlearn and relearn, their life completely changes. Most people won't do that though. They're not willing to unlearn because they think mommy and daddy was right. When
Mommy and daddy was
and why
right.
you love them doesn't mean they're right just because you love them.
Ooh. Interesting. That's some good points.
Thank you.
So 32,000 in around 13 days was generated. Okay? And that's small. That's tiny.
That's baby money.
That is baby money, ladies and gentlemen. Like, do you guys understand? $32,000 earned in 13 days is poverty level. That's poverty. Okay? Whether you guys want to accept that or not, $32,000 earned in that amount of time is on a poverty level. That's poverty money. And you guys have got to understand that is true. I've been the guy that is like, I mean, how many times have you been there? I remember when I first met you and you seen the income that was being generated. What's the first thing that you said one day when I showed you, like,
I said $10,000 would change my life.
she said $10,000 a month would change her life.
Wrong.
$10,000 a month change your life. That's it. What did I say when you said those stupid ass words?
You told me that I was thinking completely wrong. That if that's my thought process, and I'm only worried about $10,000, I'm never going to make it very far.
Never gonna make it far. If you seriously think that $10,000 is a lot of money,
Because it ain't about the money.
you're freaking, you're a goofball, dude. You're a goofball. If you believe that $10,000 a month is a lot of money, you are a goofball. You've never been out of the world, you're out of the box. You've never traveled. You've never went and learned and mastermind and network with people on high caliber levels. Okay? And I told you that. The first time that I ever met you. I straight up called her ass out. Okay?
You did.
I did. $10,000 a month is poverty. Okay? Period. End of story. I don't care who you are. I don't care about your damn degree. I don't care who you think you are, what title, all that shit, get it out of here. $10,000 a month is poverty level. Period. End of story. Okay? So, $32,000 made in around 13 days. Where would people go to learn how that's possible?
First and foremost, you'll get into our Facebook group. So if you go, the link that you can put, I guess, below this video, I guess is where you'll put it. It'll take you to our Facebook group. I do a live video there every the 15th of every month.
Live video on the 15th of every single month.
Yes.
Okay. Do we work with just anybody and everybody, though?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Because that's one thing that people are getting twisted. They actually believe that we're going to just show anybody and everybody how to earn $32,000 in 13 days.
Just
And
because
I'm
you
sorry.
Get into the group, don't mean you stay in the group.
Just because you get into the group doesn't mean you're going to stay in the group. If you do not show that you're going to show up and actually believe and have faith in what we do.
Because we only work with faith-driven people.
Only work with faith-driven people.
And when people come in and say, well, how long does it take me to make money? Only you can answer that.
How long does it take me to get some? I used to be a personal trainer.
Is there a guarantee?
I used to be a personal trainer. Brandon, how long does it take for me to get in shape? I don't know. Are you going to get off your ass and do what you need to do?
Because it took me 3 weeks to see results with your training.
With my personal training, it took you 3 weeks to see results in the mirror.
But I've seen other people
Oh.
take the same training and never get anything. But other people do it faster than me at the same time.
Right. Why is it that one person can make it happen in a few weeks, a few months, but then you got Joe Blow over here 6-7 months in that's like, I don't know if it's working for me or not. You're being sorry. You're
Somebody's
being
not
lazy.
doing something behind closed doors that they're saying that they're doing.
Yes, correct.
They might be doing it in front of people, but not behind closed doors.
Right. What are you doing behind closed doors? That's what matters. Okay? So, go to the website. You want to show them the website?
Absolutely.
I'm going to post this video on my wall because I don't answer social media messages. I don't like social media messages. I want people to leave me alone. That's why I got into entrepreneurship, because I don't like social media messages. Everything goes in videos. Everything goes into our Facebook group. I don't look at social media as a dog whistle. It's not going to be. So what website? www.neweraexclusive.live/xmts.
Oh, it don't show the whole thing. You have to put it in the comments, baby.
I'll put it in the comments so you guys can see. But you guys see, $14.99. Why do we start people for $14.99 only?
Because there's so many people that have come through the years that come in and they crush it, they do amazing, and then some people come in and they do nothing.
Right.
So we start people with small.
Even if they have a lot of money,
Yes, even if you have 15 million to put in, you're not going to.
you're not going
Because
to.
we don't know if you're actually going to follow our guidance. And the last thing we want is for you to lose money.
Right.
So we make sure that you're going to be serious and dedicated first, and then once you qualify, you're allowed to put in more.
Right. So everyone starts here first, whether they like it or not.
And I've had people get mad at me for that, but you know what? You can stay mad because you ain't losing money.
Stay
Not
mad.
on my watch.
All right. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You got our book, got the ebook. You can go to Amazon. You can get the official book as well. That's it. Let's get it.